What is going on, guys? Bully Kid here, checking in, and look what we have here. What the hell is going on? Well, guys, let me explain. All right, 8th gen Civic with developing rear quarter panel rust. I did roll my rear quarter panels here at one point when I was stanced, and I did see rust accumulating. So I'm not gonna make a video about this, but I did want to quickly tell you guys what I did. So I pretty much sanded the whole thing down with the 80 grit, and I had this little steel brush that I put on a drill, and then I was able to pretty much get it down to bare metal. At that point I used etching primer. You want to use etching primer on bare metal. Then we used a yellow paint, Rust-Oleum. The reason I used that one is because it's heavy duty and really good for rust. And then I covered that up with black paint after that, high heat resistant. And the next step is we're gonna use seam sealer right over here to seal this little area over here between the two metal joints. It's gonna be hard to see probably from where you are, but right here we're gonna seal these two joints so no fluid goes in there. And then we're gonna finally, after we seal all that up, we're gonna use the rubberized undercoat over the whole area to hopefully keep that thing rust free for some time. Anyway, guys, we got a lot going on over here. Obviously we don't want overspray on the vehicle, so from past experiences I'm taping everything off right here. But this video is about this little muffler. So I got this little tip from my buddy. As you can see, it's just a little bolt-on tip through this nut, which I had to replace because the factory one was rusted through, so I got this new one right here. But you know, I've been wondering if I really like this exhaust tip. I mean, it's got stainless steel on it, you know, it makes the car look a little nicer, it matches the wheels a little bit, but I really did like it just like that, nice and black. It kind of, I felt like it matched the tail light tint, and I have the Honda emblem. I have the Honda emblem blacked out. So I think in today's video, what I'm gonna do, since this is stainless steel, I am gonna plasti dip this muffler tip. We're gonna reinstall it back onto the muffler with it being black. I think the black's gonna contrast the vehicle fairly well, the tint, the color, the mud guards here. I think it's just gonna look much better. But let's go ahead, plasti dip it, and then we'll see how it looks. You guys below, let me know later on as well if you like it or not. Some might say this is riserish, but this is really just an aesthetic mod. This tip is not gonna get hot whatsoever, so I think plasti dip is gonna do its justice and work well. I was gonna paint it, but you know, painting stainless steel might be a pain in the ass, so just to see how it's gonna look, I'm gonna go with plasti dip first. If we don't like it, we're just gonna peel it back off and run it stainless steel. So let's get it. Let's take a look under some shade. Right over here, everything is sprayed, everything looks good. Let's pop this on, and then we'll see how she looks. Right there. Let me just center it right here. All right. What do you guys think? Does she look better? A little bit more stealthy? What do you think? Or did you guys prefer the chrome? I mean, this is gonna get a little dirty anyway, and I'm not gonna have to maintain this at all. But just from the back, it's still stealthy. You can't even really tell just because of the black color. And it still is a bigger diameter, so it's gonna look a little bit more aggressive. I think it matches the taillights, and like I said, the Honda emblem right here. But you guys be the judge. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little episode. Make sure you comment below what you guys think. Do you guys prefer the plastic dip, or did you guys prefer stainless steel? If you have riser comments, go ahead, post them as well. I'm curious to hear what you guys want to say. And that's about it guys, so see you on the next video. Peace.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams a lot